Hi guys, I'm Harmeet and I hope you all are doing extremely great and welcome back to my channel. In this video I would be telling you about the free sources on YouTube from which you can definitely do your CA foundation. Even if you are not willing to purchase the classes, you can definitely do it from YouTube because there are a lot of sources from YouTube where you can watch all the classes. So I have watched for revision purposes, I have watched the classes after completing all my subjects, and just before my exams I watched few of the classes from these YouTube channels. So otherwise I had purchased all my classes from SPC, that is Swapnil Platnik classes, for CA foundation. All subjects I had taken from them only. So now let's get started with the video. I would be telling you subject wise. So first, for law, you can watch marathon videos. You can watch from the channel SPC. There is Ankita Patni ma'am. You can watch her marathon videos, which are very nice. And if you have studied from her, then you should definitely watch her marathon videos. So you can definitely get a quick recap of all the chapters which you have studied in law. So, or otherwise, if you have not studied, then also you can watch their marathon videos just before exam. And there's one more YouTube channel, that is ACT classes. So there also you can watch marathon videos. He also teaches very nice. So these two channels you can watch for marathon videos. But if you want to learn and understand the whole law chapter wise, so you can go to Unacademy's YouTube channel. There is one sir called Indresh Gandhi. So he teaches law and you will almost get all the videos of each chapter. He teaches law from the ISI module. So almost all chapters from the ISI module are there in the Unacademy YouTube channel for free. So you can definitely check out the Unacademy YouTube channel and you can watch Indresh Gandhi law lectures. He teaches very nice, and you will definitely find all the ICI module chapters according to the ICI module. He only teaches with the ICI material only he teaches, so you can find that. If you want to do whole law by YouTube, so you can definitely watch Indresh Gandhi. Next, coming from BCR, for BCR also I think you can definitely do it by yourself. You just have to read the book. Only first chapter, that is communication, you just have to learn it, and otherwise all the chapters are format based. You just have to understand the format and learn the format, and then article, letter, and whatever there is that you have to write in your own words. So for BCR there is nothing much to do, but if you still want to watch the formats and everything, you can again watch Unacademy Indresh Gandhi's lectures. He has a lot of videos there, and also you can watch MEPL classes. There's this sir Gaurav sir. He also has like a marathon video on BCR, so you can just watch a marathon video and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it for law. Now moving on to the second subject, that is accounts. So for accounts, I would say there's one YouTube channel called Kautilya Commerce. You can watch his YouTube channel. He teaches very nice, and you will find all ICI module questions he has solved one by one, and we will find all the ICI module questions. So if you do need that much questions that is there in your ICI module, you can definitely pass in accounts also. So you can watch his YouTube channel and you can solve all the ICI module, and he teaches very nice. He makes you understand the chapter very nice. Before exam, I had also watched his lectures for few chapters, and I solved all the ICI module questions before my exam. If you want to watch any particular chapter, or you can want to watch marathon classes, then you can watch CTC classes. He has, I think, marathon videos only, so you can watch marathon videos from that channel. And for BCK and economics, you can watch Harshad Jaju's lecture. I mean, you just have to do a little bit effort to find out the lectures. You can find all the chapters there in YouTube. Some part would be missed, but almost all part are there in the SPC YouTube channel. And also there's one Harshad Jaju's personal YouTube channel also. So you can just search in both of them and you can watch the lectures of Eco and BCK. And you can also watch Eco and BCK from Grooming Academy. He also teaches very nice. So there are a lot of videos on BCK and Eco in Grooming Academy channel also. So you can watch from that. And third, if you want to watch marathon videos, you can watch from MEPL. There is Divya Agarwal ma'am, and she also teaches very nice. So you can just watch. If you want a quick recap, a quick revision of all the chapters, you can watch MEPL Divya Agarwal marathon lectures for Eco and BCK. Now moving to the next and the last subject, that is mathematics and statistics. So you can watch this from Unacademy's YouTube channel. There are these two sirs. One is Nishant sir and another one is Pranab Popat sir. So they also teach maths very nice. I have personally watched few of the chapters from them, and you can, I think almost you can find every lecture, every subject, every lecture in the YouTube channel. So you just have to research, and I think two YouTube channels for CA Foundation Unacademy, and you will find all the lectures there. You can watch them. You will find the whole syllabus, almost the whole syllabus would be there. And also if you want to just watch marathon lectures, you can also watch that from Unacademy only. That is from Pranab Popat sir and Nishant sir. They have like full lectures of each chapter, and they have like quick revision of all the chapters, and they also have like marathon videos of all the chapters. So whatever you can just watch this from Unacademy YouTube channel. For math, this is the best. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I have mentioned all the YouTube channels from which I have watched some of the lectures, and apart from taking the classes from SPC. So if you do not want to take classes, you can definitely watch free from YouTube. And if you have taken classes and if you are not satisfied with the classes, you do not understand, then also you can take help from these YouTube channels. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.